Unveiling the deal. Mastering the phrase, cash in on the deals. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might have heard in conversations about shopping or business: cash in on the deals. Understanding this phrase can be incredibly useful, not just for shopping, but also for grasping the nuances of the English language. Let's unravel its meaning together. Cash in on the deals combines a few concepts, so let's break it down. To cash in means to take advantage of a situation or to gain a benefit from it. When we add on the deals, we're specifically talking about special offers, discounts, or opportunities to save money. So, put together, cash in on the deals means to take advantage of special offers to gain some benefit, usually saving money or getting more value for your expenditure. You'll often hear cash in on the deals in contexts related to shopping, especially during sales seasons like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or end-of-season sales. Retailers and marketers use this phrase to encourage consumers to take advantage of the low prices or special offers available. Example sentence: "Don't miss out on our annual summer sale. It's your chance to cash in on the deals and save big on your favorite brands." This phrase isn't limited to shopping. It can also be used in various contexts where someone benefits from a favorable situation. For instance, an investor might cash in on the deals in the stock market during a dip in prices. An essential aspect of cashing in on the deals is timing. This phrase implies that the deals or opportunities are temporary and require prompt action to benefit from them. It's about seizing the right moment to get the most out of available offers. Understanding the importance of timing can help English learners not only grasp the phrase's meaning but also apply it in real-world situations effectively. Thank you for joining us as we explored the phrase, cash in on the deals. Remember, language is not just about words but also about the context and timing in which those words are used. We hope this video has shed light on how to use and understand this particular phrase in your English-speaking journey. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to cash in on the opportunity to enhance your language skills with us. See you in our next video.